Have you thought about starting a garden this year? What really inspired you to think about starting this journey? And what are the questions that you keep asking yourself? For me, when I started gardening, these are the questions I've asked myself. Why do you want to start a garden? What benefit will it bring to your family? How do you want to start this gardening? This journey, I can say. It is a journey. How do you want to start this journey? These are the questions I have asked myself when I started gardening. I really wanted this to be a lifestyle and a journey, but it has gone beyond that. It has brought our family together, closer together, teaching us patience and also the joy of nurturing life, the pride of growing our own food and knowing where our food is coming from is priceless. My garden started in a small space in the backyard with just 2 beds, which you're looking at here, my son helping me at the age of 4 watering the garden, and also here helping me with starting our seedling indoors. Gardening is not just only about growing food to us now. It's about the time we spend together, the lessons we learned, and the pride of growing something ourselves. It has also changed the way I look and appreciate food too. Our relationship with food has changed tremendously, and we really thank God for this opportunity. But before I let you go, let me ask you this. It might be a silly or complicated question, but just bear with me. I'm just curious to know. What is your relationship with food? How do you appreciate food? Do you have a good or a bad relationship with food? This has been a struggle for me. It has been a question I have asked myself. And I have asked friends and family just to help myself better understand our relationship with food. It has been a struggle in 2024. And I can say by the grace of God, I'm getting better. So I'm just curious to know. Like I say, I just want to dig into your heads and see. Just for fun. Let's just have fun and leave it on the comment down below. Like I always say, you never know who you can inspire. Your answer can touch someone. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. And I hope you guys will start a garden. And also before you go, if you're starting a garden, what is the one plant you will grow this year? Let me know on the comment down below. I know there's a lot of questions, but I just want us to have fun and interact a little in this channel. In this community. I just want us to have fun and just interact with each other and inspire each other. Like I say, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. This is your girl Jexie.